This week I'm discussing home staging, including why you should do it, plus the hottest trends for 2023. Home staging is preparing a house for sale by setting the stage with furniture, paint, and accessories. The purpose of staging is to beautify, modernize, and show off a home's potential to buyers. So why should you stage your home? According to the International Association of Home Staging Professionals, staged homes sell for 20% more than their unstaged competition. What are the hottest staging trends for 2023? This year, it's all about bold colors, curvy accents, dramatic contrast, and more. Get all the trends and details by tapping the link in this post, and you'll have the option to download our free staging guide. Need more help preparing your home for sale? Send us a direct message. Home sold, dreams made.